Safe space, magulo, comfort zone. Ganito ilarawan ng celebrity couple na sina Ice at Liza ang kanilang may bahay. Sa loob ng kanilang tahanan, damang-dama ko ang Team Kahoy vibe. Hilig din ni Ice at Liza ang mga do-it-yourself or DIY furniture. Gaya na lamang ng sliding door na ito at ang lighting fixture na kanilang dining area na gawa sa travesia o riles ng tren.
I like this door a lot. There's a story?
Ayan! Ako yung nag-suggest niyan.
At least meron pa lang isa. Pero hindi ko nakabit.
May ambag.
Oo, ang ganda. Saan to galing?
Pinagawa.
Pinagawa lang yan, lahat yan.
Pinagawa.
Tapos binili nyo na lang yung ganitong
Pinagawa din yan. Ano yan?
Oh, binili din.
Ginawa lang din yan. As in talagang DIY siya.
Ano ang pinakamasarap na niluluto ng mami?
Oh my gosh, napakarami.
Katulad ng?
Siyempre, number one talaga for me. Yung niligaw siya noon, adobo talaga yung...
Yay, sarap!
Talagang kailangan mo ipasok.
Siyempre, no.
Swabe naman yung pagkakapasok.
Dahil chef din si Liza, isa sa mga house rules niya ay kailangan laging organized ang kusina.
Since si Liza, when she cooks, gusto niya, nakikita niya yung
Lahat.
andito yung spices.
At saka you just know that it's a functional kitchen.
Wala ito dito dati, yung island. In 2014, bago kami lumipat dito, I had my own cooking show on YouTube. Tapos gusto namin siyang ilipat dito kasi palipat-lipat kami ng kitchen. So we wanted to create this island. Pero simula na nabuo to, hindi pa kami nakapag-shoot.
Gusto ko lang malaman, whose idea is it to have good lighting?
Both naman.
Both, yeah. Gusto namin...
Ice is very particular na kailangan warm.
This is my favorite part po. Kasi I made this when I was like 11. This is a drawing of my mom and my dad. Pero I made the heights very different. I just want to make it very obvious.
And realistic.
Opo, realistic po. So yung mami po pinakamatangkad. And then dad's like right down there.
Pinasilip din ni Ice at Liza ang kanilang master's bedroom. Nandito rin ang his and hers work area.
The plan was for this to be my mini studio. Kumbaga,
Parang she can rehearse by herself na.
Nakadisplay rin dito ang ilang guitar at Star Wars collection ni Ice. Dagdag ni Liza, favorite bonding nila ang manood ng movies at video kiss session. Pero teka, paano ba nagsimula ang love story ng dalawa? Unang nagkakilala sina Ice at Liza sa isang TV show noong 1999. Taong 2014, ikinasal na sila sa Amerika.
What else is there for you to want in life? May mga dreams pa ba kayo?
Oh yeah. Siguro ngayon, because of the company that we have, mas lalo pa kaming naging dreamers, di ba?
Yeah.
Siguro yun, how do we immortalize our advocacies?
Yeah.
Like, kumbaga, through films din, di ba? Kumbaga, may medium na kami, meron na kaming platform. So, yung Fire and Ice kasi, it's a live events company, it's a production company, we create digital content. So, parang ngayon, nata-challenge kami lalo, how do we get these messages across that we embody, yung kumbaga yung sinasabi mong nire-represent namin.
It just tells me that you have so many other things that you are doing, not for yourselves, but for other people. Thank you for having us here. Salamat. I super enjoyed being with you guys. What a family. Beautiful family. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.